In August 26, 2023 in Florida, police officers were called to a restaurant regarding an altercation involving a customer striking an employee.
I'm sorry?
What happened?
She was screaming. I was in the office. So I come out. And she's like, I know who the hell you are. You got a whole bunch of Spanish working here. I said, come on, you can sign the door. I said, be nice.
Do you know her?
No, she worked for me like a customer. She worked like in 2014. She's like, I know you.
A dispatch?
I don't, sir, I don't know.
It's Officer Wishart.
Thank you.
All right. There you go. You don't talk. I'm the police. They're just dispatch. What do you need?
Can I get that phone,
Yeah, go
please?
ahead. What do you need?
Can I get that phone, please?
What do you need?
Ma'am?
She's gone. Do not call 911 again.
Ma'am?
Do not call 911.
Ma'am?
Do not call 911 again.
Can you hear me?
Did you call 911?
I am recording you. Oh my God, I am recording you. I'm not even doing anything. I'm not even doing anything. I'm recording it.
Huh?
I'm not recording.
No. She's being uncooperative.
Why?
We're going to detain her based on what he said earlier.
We're investigating battery.
Sir, I'm not.
You're detained. You're not under arrest for the.
Am I under arrest? So can I go? Can I go? No.
Stop
Am
yelling.
I under arrest?
Are you going to listen to me?
Am I under arrest?
You're detained.
I'm detained for what reason?
For the purpose of our investigation.
What investigation?
Well, I'll tell you that in just a minute.
No. 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 Wait.
Do you got anything in your pockets that you need to know?
No.
Okay.
But you cannot detain me.
Yeah.
Sir, can you detain? No.
I can't.
Am I under investigation?
Yep.
For what?
Battery.
Battery of what? I have not done anything.
Okay. Sit there. Sit in the car. Up in the chair.
No, you said sit. No,
In
you
the
said
chair.
sit. No,
In the
no,
chair.
no, no. You said sit. Nope, you said sit.
You're gonna go to jail
Nope.
if you don't sit in
That's
the car.
fine. You said sit. You said sit. You said sit. You said sit right here.
Get your feet in.
No. Nope, you said sit right here.
Ma'am.
Nope, you said sit
Ma'am.
right
Well, I'm
here.
telling you something different
Sir.
now. Sit in the chair.
No,
That's something
no,
different now.
no, no. Under my
So you're refusing
no.
to cooperate?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Now you can go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. I haven't done anything. I haven't, sir. I have not done anything. You cannot take me to jail.
Yeah.
You cannot take me.
She's with a guy here, African American guy. The guy's real nice and calm.
So,
You can ask him.
okay, where did all this happen at?
Where? He's calm. He's with her. You can ask him.
This all happened right here?
Yeah, that's with him.
Whereabouts did it happen? Where?
Right there.
Where they're sitting?
Yeah.
Okay, and so what she said to you?
She just was. I was in the office.
Yep.
She was in here screaming. He comes and gets me.
Who comes to get you?
The guy in the red. And said, this girl's just going off, screaming at everybody. Going off on everybody. I come out of the office and I said, hey, what's going on? Will anybody do anything to you? And she like, you, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. She just started
So
calling
he came and got you?
Yes.
Or a worker?
Yeah, the assistant manager.
He came and got you?
Yeah, he came and got me, and then she just counting everybody. And you're a piece of shit. And then she's telling him, the guy that's there, he just calm. And she's just, I don't know what the discussion was, but he's with her, so he could tell you more of what happened. He's with her literally. Though.
You came out of the office because she was counting everybody,
Correct.
yelling, hooting
And
and
I
hollering,
opened the door. Yes.
Okay.
And I said, what's wrong with you? Come on, let's go talk. I opened the door here. Come on, come on outside. And then she was coming, and then she turned around. No, I'm not going outside. I'm staying here. I said, we're closing. We're cleaning up. I said, y'all, and I go over there. Did somebody do anything to you?
So you walked over there to her where she was
Yeah,
sitting?
she went back and sat down. And she got up and just whoosh.
Do you have any injuries?
No, no. But it was just the thing.
Are you looking to press charges?
Yeah, I wanted her out of
You
here.
want to trespass or press charges?
I was press charges.
Okay.
Could you talk to
Yes, I
the
will.
current?
Let me get your information first. Can you get him for me?
Yeah, I don't know him, but I'll get him.
Yeah. Hey, man. So what happened?
I have no clue, dude. We're just
You
eating.
didn't see anything?
No, I mean, we're just eating and just started screaming at him.
Okay.
I mean, not at him necessarily.
Just everybody. And then what happened?
Well, like, I guess the server or whatever.
And then what happened?
Nothing. He came out. And then she's screaming. I guess I don't know what she's doing before.
Gotcha. Did you see what happened when he approached her? Like, did anything get physical?
No, it just came up and talked. Like, I don't know, like, she was on the phone with you guys.
So you never saw
She'd still be here.
anyone show anybody?
Recorded
it?
Well, there's camera, but she was here
Sorry,
since
I
4:30 and
was
time
confused.
they've
She
been
was here since 4:30 p.m.
Okay.
and she's been drinking all. Yeah.
Hey, y'all?
He paid.
He paid.
Oh, you paid.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
mean,
you with her?
Yeah, they've been
yeah.
talking.
everything
The bill
just.
They were
paid?
fine. They
The
were
alcohol?
happy. I don't know what happened.
And I bring the bill. Yeah, just pure alcohol. And when I bring the beer,
I don't know what happened.
She
I was
just
in the office.
started
He
screaming.
came and got me, so I guess he's a witness. Because he's like, there's a lady out here. She's snappy because he told him it's time to get the closing. And it was like, no, but he's been a very gentleman.
Thank you.
Very super gentleman. He's been gentleman. He never even got involved.
So what
In
happened?
contrary, he was telling her to calm down, calm down.
When the waiter,
Hold on.
when the waiter bring the bill, she said like make no sense, but she was here since 4:30, and just alcohol. They just ordered one food, and the whole night we were drinking, and we closing. So I told the waiter that nicely talked to her that we close, that no more, we can sell more alcohol. And she got upset about that
Because she couldn't get served anymore?
because she want more drinks, and we said like,
You're done.
yeah, we done.
And then what happened?
And then she started screaming all over the room, say all my waiters, all my employees that fuck they, that we are Spanish, blah blah blah. And then or I go grab my boss, and we got a situation, and she started yelling to him, and then she put like face to face to him and push him back.
How did she push him?
She like super close, get super close to him, then she like,
Like with one hand?
no, like I didn't see right away because I was in the side, but I think it's only one hand.
Okay. Are you able to pull cameras for me?
That's
Real quick, if you can do it real quick. It'd be nice to see. If not, I will.
I'll give it to you.
Can I go inside?
Yep, thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you, man.
Problem is, the one that handles the one in there, she's not here during the day. I got where you can see. You just got to go back.
Yeah. Are you good with it? Yeah. What do you have?
I don't understand the girl. I mean, she's just wigging out. Like, she was super fun. She was singing karaoke. Like, that's the problem with this one is take the Wi-Fi out.
And you do want to press charges on battery?
Yeah, I mean, if I let people do stuff like that, you know what I mean? They're like,
It's your choice. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, a night in jail, I think will help her out.
So what am I under arrest, sir? Sir, what am I under arrest? Oh, you don't want to tell me. Okay. Sir, you want to tell me what I'm under arrest for? No? Typical Sarasota deputy. Okay.
I'm not a deputy.
I'm going to ask you one last time.
You've already been told.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Sir, will you let me know what I'm under investigation for?
Well, you're no longer under investigation.
So what am I under this deputy car for, sir?
Well, first of all, this is not a deputy's car. This is a
What?
police car. This is a police car.
What? I can't hear you. I'm sorry. What?
This is a police car.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
what am I in this police car for, sir?
To go to jail.
What?
To go to jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
For what?
Resisting.
When did I show resistance, sir?
And battery.
No. I want to know when I showed resistance for, sir.
All right, I'm done talking.
I'm sorry?
I'm done talking.
No. You said that I resisted arrest.
Yep.
So I want to know in what point did I resist arrest? I want to know, sir.
I'm finished.
Sir.
I'm finished talking. Thank you.
No. Sir, I want to know when I resisted arrest. Because I'm being put in county jail for this shit. I want to know when I resisted arrest. Sir, when did I resist arrest? Sir, when did I resist arrest?
Temporary
Sir,
arrest.
when did I resist arrest? Sir, when did I resist arrest? Sir, when did I resist arrest? When did I...
Stop kicking my door!
Sir,
Stop!
when did I resist arrest?
Stop!
No, you're gonna tell me when
She's kicking my window out.
resisted arrest. When did I resist? When did I resist? When? When did I resist?
lime in Frisco.
When did I resist? When? When did I resist? When did I resist? Take me to county jail. Take me
And then
to
stop
county jail
kicking
right
my
now.
door. Stop.
Take me, no.
I'm going to the jail if you stop.
Take me to county visit. No.
Okay, good.
Take me
Okay.
to a county right now.
That's where I'm going.
Take me to county right now.
Alright.
When
Stop
did
kicking
I
the window.
go? When did I go to jail? When?
Subject's kicking my window.
Do a forward your key to the jail.
When?
Turning on Ringling now.
When?
Stop!
When? Take me to county.
We're here if you stop.
Take me to county.
Yeah.
Take me to county. Take me to county. With these people. You. You.
43. Put me out of jail.
Record this shit. You. Record this shit. You.
Get out.
You.
Get out of the car.
You see how he's handling me? You see how he's handling me? You.
Told you.
You. You with your self. You with your